How to choose the best hair transplant clinic. These days, the fierce marketing of the hair transplant clinics have made the hair transplant aspirants gasping to choose the right clinic for their hair transplant, starting from infrastructure to celebrity status, international presence to digital presence in the online world to the offline award shows. It's actually confusing for all the clients. The actual crucial criteria to reach a conclusion are as follows: number of years, the clinic's presence in the country with the success ratios, affordability with high quality of services, surgeon's profile and success ratio. The surgeon should be an artist and less of a surgeon. The expert team of OT technicians. Technique performed to do the hair transplant. The clinic's reputation on client care with genuine reviews. Clarity in the initial consultation process with appropriate expectation alignment. Assurance of hair growth and sustainability. For more details, please visit Max Hair Clinic.